Bill Grucci is the fourth-generation Grucci to make, manufacture, and master the art of pyrotechnical perfection. Because of the sheer nature of the business, you'd expect safety to be key, but even the factory is designed to minimize chain reactions in case of an accident. Several small buildings are separated by sand piles because the metals used in making fireworks can be so combustible in combination that contact with even a spark can cause an explosion. And please, no smoking. The first family of fireworks is responsible for some of the most fantastic pyrotechnics in the world, like George Bush's presidential inauguration and the 4th of July in New York City.
We use chemistry in our business primarily to create the effect, to create the pyrotechnic effect, to regulate burn times and create colors and sizes and movement in the pyrotechnics. Each one of the varieties of fireworks that we use, or that we manufacture, or even that we import, is the balance, the critical balance between how we mix salts, how we mix metals, the fineness of the powders that we're using. For instance, the twinkles and flitters that you see in the sky are basically us melting and burning a metal. Because when you ever took a bar of iron, put it on a grinder, and you'll see a brown spark coming off the bottom of it. If you took a same titanium bar, which is a metal, put it on that grinder, it will make a very white, bright spark that'll come off the bottom of it. So basically, we're taking very fine metals and burning them, depending on what type of metal that we burn, using oxidizers and fuels. Depending on what kind of metal we burn dictates what color it's going to be in the sky. Utilizing some salts such as strontiums, your bariums, copper, for instance, will give us the blues. Will give us each and every different hue of color in the rainbow, depending on how we balance those fuels and oxidizers. One of the main oxidizers that we use is potassium perchlorate or potassium nitrate. And the reason why they're called oxidizers is because when heated up and when ignited, it creates its own oxygen. It creates its own oxygen so the item can burn and perform on its own without the atmosphere taking effect. For a binder or glue, we use dextrin in the formula. Wood pulp is used as a flame propagator. Red gum also uses a flame propagator. Charcoal we use to manufacture black powder, which is also a fuel. Antimony trisulfide for the gold glitter effect. Combination of magnesium and aluminum for a white flame, a fuel also. Aluminum and titanium in different flake sizes also for the flitter. A very large flake, a flat flake of titanium will give you a very white twinkle, but a strobing type twinkle. Whereas a fine powder such as a magnesium or aluminum will burn very quickly because the surface area that is exposed is more so, and it burns quickly and it gives a white photo flash look. The workhorse in our industry is the metal aluminum. We use aluminum quite often because of one is the ease of use, the ease of acquiring it. Aluminum is one of the metals that are easy to obtain. Aluminum primarily on a visual end is used to create the very bright white effects that you see, and at the same time is also used to manufacture the audible effects or the bangs that you might hear in the sky.
Weeks of planning go into the CW Post University homecoming show. Setup takes a full day, and crew members make sure shells are loaded absolutely right. Safety here is key, too. They set distances to the audience, gauge the wind and the weather, and most importantly, keep a fire extinguisher handy. During the show, everybody knows the drill, the program, and their position. And the best part, they get paid for it.
Some of the shells that will be at the CW Post project are strobe shells, ring shells, which is a patterned shell in the sky that forms a perfect ring, star shells, color and serpent shells, which are the small squiggly items and the movement items that are in the sky. There'll be plenty of salutes, which are the reporting devices used during the finale of the program. So we look at the entire array of pyrotechnics when we go on a program like that and try to give the audience a little taste of everything that we have in stock.